Meet Kim Clark. She's outstanding in her field. Kim is the Dairy Systems Extension Educator for the University of Nebraska-Lincoln in the Department of Animal Science. A significant part of Kim's extension role is developing and delivering educational programming in schools. She often gets to visit elementary schools to teach them about where their milk at the grocery store comes from. Check out these photos from Kim's visit to North Bend Elementary School. The students were able to see a cow being milked in their parking lot, and they thought it was pretty legendary. Her role is also utterly important for all of the dairy producers in Nebraska. Every month she creates and distributes what she calls the newsletter. It's an online newsletter where dairy farmers can find industry updates, workshop dates, producer resources, and so much more. Speaking of resources, if you head on over to the Nebraska Dairy Extension website, you will find many publications that Kim has produced. Want to learn about heifer management or dairy nutrition? You bet it's there. How about employee management or current technology? She's got you covered. Other responsibilities in her role include hosting trade teams, providing workshops for dairy farmers, and maintaining relations with the Nebraska Dairy Association. She often gets out of the office to visit dairies all over Nebraska to talk with the managers about what they need to stay updated about the day-to-day operations and cutting-edge research impacting the dairy industry. Kim says her work is rewarding and she enjoys seeing how Nebraska Extension is helping maintain and grow educational opportunities and healthy practices for positively impacting dairy produce throughout the state. Be sure to follow all the happenings on Nebraska Dairy Systems Extension Educator Kim Clark on social media at NEDairyEXT.